I dreamed I met my moment the other day. So I told my mama, I'm on my way, baby.
And I be on my way, and I be on my way. Look, let me give you a tip. Never let nobody tell you what you can be. They told me I couldn't. Then I bet they told Obama he couldn't be the president either.
Hide the kids, hide the wives, and hide the husbands.
Road to the riches, 100 miles an hour, trying to make it to the top from the bottom.
5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, already 5.
I see the fans everywhere I go, I spot them, they believe in me, so you know I got them.
Did I take it? Oh, was I recording?
I'm all I can be, being a winner, that's all I can see. Give me the ball, but I score on all of they D. Wanted it bad, I was writing the phone and sleep. I split it 50-50, not out on the streets. Whether rapping and trapping, whether trapping and rapping, I was making it happen with dreams and making it rapping. I was making some magic like a magician and rabbit. My position was habit, but I insisted I had it. I insisted I get it for me, my mom and my sister. Hustling, grinding and winning, and it's just the beginning. Road to the riches, 100 miles an hour, trying to make it to the top from the bottom. I see the fans everywhere I go, I spot them, they believed in me, so you know I got them. I had basketball dreams, they deflated. I wasn't good as Michael Jordan, so they faded. God did me my hand and I just played it. Gave me a king of diamond, I flipped me an ace of spade, and that's blackjack. I'm back scrapped, soon to be the greatest. I sat back, attacked that, did it for the haters, man. I did it like the Lakers, Kobe and Phil Jackson. I'm independent as ever. Them Lakers is still.
What do you say about that new chrome move?
I ain't believe they believed in me.
Yeah?
Cause where I'm from, they don't believe with me. So this the song I say, yeah, I be on my way, yeah, I be.
The elephant. There you have it, folks.
Road to the riches, 100 miles an hour, trying to make it to the top from the bottom. I see the fans everywhere I go, I spot them, they believed in me, so you know I got them.
Fly Hawks. I'm Phoenix. Check me out. Look. Yep, we about to get ready to dance. We about to take it home all the way back to France. Yeah, cause we got the camera rocking around us. Everybody know they wanna be around us. Yeah, because we such joys. Everybody know we make some noise. Yeah, when the girls see us, they just wanna take off their stuff. You know what I'm saying? Man, I'm just playing, I'm not even looking at the camera. But you know what? I'm about to get in it. It's not making sense anymore. But I'm looking at the door because it's wide open. Then here comes Shannon in the rap and he's about to take it back like that. Woo!